Hello and welcome to my creative year. This is Peg, and today's project is for the Facebook My Creative Year team project for the month of September 2019. And today I am inspired by cold wax. So I'm going to take out my Shiva. These are oil sticks from Shiva. And I'm just having a little play with them with the cold wax, mixing the oil color with the cold wax to see what I can get. And then I've got a wood panel. This is from Dick Blick. I like working on these hard surfaces with a palette knife. So I'm going to mix up my paints and get some stencils and just have a good old play. Because that's what I do for my creative year. I play with products and things that are unfamiliar to me, that make me happy, that I can use in my art in some way that's new and different, and I love to experiment. So I'm liking these three colors together. It's kind of a mauve and celadon green and Buffy blue, not really bright blue, kind of a chalk gray blue. And I think that they're subtle yet colorful. And because this is a wax image, because we're using cold wax, it's going to look quite chalky anyway because of the wax that's involved in this. I, of course, will use my sticks in addition. There I'm putting some oil stick paint from Shiva down onto my board. I'm putting on some protective gear and going to start moving that around and getting my surface covered. So here we go. Okay, so I let this dry for about a week. It takes a while because oil, oil is just that, oil paint, and it takes a while to dry. And what I'm doing is I tried to put a rub-on here. It was not taking really well. So I'm just doing a little bit of highlighting with a pen to bring out those letters that didn't transfer all that well. And so that people can read what this quote says. And it says, "True love never grows old." We hope that's true. We hope that our love endures, right? We're told that love endures. So, just putting a little bit of highlight. This is a Le Pen drawing pen. It's a pigmented pen. And it's 0.1, in case you're interested in what I'm doing here. So, now this is not rocket science. This is just trying to bring back some of that rub-on. True love never grows old. And let's get some gel medium. This is a matte gel. Don't want to put anything other than a matte gel on here. I'll get my little flexible brush. I'm just going to seal that down. Make sure that that doesn't go walking about. Okay, so happy with that. Sorry the camera wasn't running. I don't know what's going on with me. Oh good, I just pulled the end of that off. So when that happens, you just get a pair of pliers and crimp it back in place. Now, where I am with this, I want to do some more. These are oil crayon. I want to darken up some areas here over the top of that wax. I like the texture. So I'm going to leave the texture. I get some of that down in here. And let's see what happens if I go over the, yeah, see that does what I want it to do. That's where I put the cold wax through a stencil. Like that. A little bit up here. A little bit over here. And around the edge. And okay, and then let me get the edge with that too. I'll spray this outside with a permanent finish, but I also want to get some color on the edges. So I will do that around all 4 sides and finish that off. But that's basically it for me this month. I hope you enjoyed seeing cold wax and what I do with it in my process. Thanks everybody. Bye for now.